Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to sign in or log in to your Gumtree account. You can log in and sign into your Gumtree account using a website or also the Gumtree application on your mobile device. In this video, I'm going to use the website to log in. To do so, first of all, open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in gumtree.com. Once you get to the official homepage for Gumtree, click on Login/Register at the top right corner. In the login page, you will need to sign in by entering your account's credentials. You can choose your Google account, Facebook account, or the email option to log in. But make sure to choose the same option that you chose while signing up. I've previously signed up using my email, so let me go ahead and type in the email and password associated with the Gumtree account. Make sure you type in your email and then the account's password correct. Finally, click on Log In to sign in to your account. If you don't have your credential or if you've forgotten your password, click the Forgotten Your Password link and follow the reset process to reset to a new login password. Once you have your correct credential, you will be able to log into your Gumtree account right away. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.